The sun is sleeping quietly. Once upon a century, wistful oceans calm and red, ardent caresses laid to rest. For my dreams I hold, my life for wishes I behold, my nights are truth at the end of time. Losing faith makes a crime. I wish for this night time to last for a lifetime. The darkness around me shows awful solar sea. Oh, how I wish to go down with the sun, sleeping, weeping with you. Sorrow has a human heart. From my God it will depart. I'd sail before 1,000 moons, never finding where to go. 222 days of light will be desired by a night. Moment for the poets play until there's nothing left to say.